Ascendant number 5, Leo ascendant. If you observe, Saturn and Jupiter is in your 6th house. 6th house is the house of Prarabdha Karma. It is the duty, responsibility. But Saturn, the planet of delay, when it goes in the 6th house, it delays things beyond usual. And Jupiter doesn't support. This can affect in marriage because Jupiter also controls the 8th house and Saturn controls 7th house. You can see that there can be an unnecessary delay in court proceedings. There can be unnecessary delay into any work that was supposed to be finalized and the results should have come. But is this negative? No. The delay is happening at a time when Saturn and Jupiter are direct. Jupiter is in Neech Bhang and Saturn is in his own house. Definitely it can't go against you. The only problem is that you as an ascendant has the maximum rivalry with the 7th house. If you take any other ascendant, the 7th house and the first lord, 7th lord and the first lord don't have that much of rivalry between them. They somehow complement. But if you are an Aquarius ascendant or Leo ascendant, then your ascendant lord and the 7th lord become Sun and Saturn, and that is something to watch out for. Definitely it means that the quality of your ascendant is to go by yourself and not to prefer the 7th house much more than what threshold that you have decided for yourself. And Saturn in the 6th house is forcing you to compromise, forcing you to follow the prarabdha, forcing you to fulfill your duty. And that's what you should do. You should spend the next couple of months in social service, serving the animals, serving the people who need you, and the help means it can be any kind of help. Even helping somebody by giving them contact who can actually help them is also a help. Always money doesn't matter because Saturn is a planet that wants your effort, not your money. And 8th lord going in the 6th house is also in a way a Vipreet Rajyog, and then Jupiter also causes a Neech Bhang Rajyog, and Jupiter is the 5th lord. So definitely whatever is happening for good because Jupiter is your 5th lord. 5th house is Purva Punya, past life positive karma. 5th house is a mantra bhava, and when 5th lord combines in the 6th house, you can literally gain by chanting mantra. You should chant your Guru's mantra, and if you don't know, you can simply chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times and maybe more than that. This will not only simplify your life but will make you accept the situation, and this feeling of gratitude, this feeling of thankfulness is what Saturn wants you to move towards. Leo is naturally egoistic. Leo is naturally territorial. Leo is naturally an expansionist, and Saturn is more like democracy. So there has to be a harmony, because if Saturn goes in 6th house and combines itself with 5th house, it can trap you by depriving you from all the possibilities of life and therefore making your life monotonous, and you will feel as if you're walking on the rope and you can fall anytime. Right now, Sun is also debilitated, and Saturn's aspect on the Sun is only going to make you more humble. So if you can right now surrender and bow down at the feet of Shiva and simply allow him to guide you, the guidance will be enough to steer you into the path of success. What you should not do, you should not take any unnecessary loan or go for any unnecessary investment, especially heavily investing into the stocks if you are not already a practitioner of that field. Don't experiment with your career. Maybe you will have to accept few shortcomings in your job, but that's what it is till the Jupiter goes in the 7th house. Saturn aspect on the 12th house can be literally bad in case you are fighting a case of divorce and justice will be delayed, but this delay is important. Maybe this will end up in a reconciliation of marriage. Don't try to challenge the law by bypassing the laws at this time, because this can be fatal, especially at the time when the disease is in the air. 6th house can also affect your gut health, so you need to be eating less than what you should. Fast on Saturday or Thursday, and this will help into holistic healing. Go for a 7 to 10 days of replenishment, rejuvenation. Go for a vacation in nature. Try to visit the nature, and you will see that you will feel the peace of mind and happiness. Now, Saturn's presence in the 6th house is accompanied by Rahu's presence in the 10th house. And when Rahu in the 10th house is going to trigger the feeling of changing the livelihood, or maybe you will feel that you are serving someone's too much, and maybe this is the time when you should take control of the situation. Maybe you're thinking about promotion, everything is fine, but whatever you do, think logically. Don't expose your plan, but first see that is your plan truly a plan to be executed, or is it just a plan based on hope and illusion? Otherwise, one wrong step and you can fall on your face. Be careful, tread carefully, and fulfill your prarabdha. Serve the people, serve society, do something good for people around you, and you will see that the universe will come and do as much good as you can receive.